This video is dedicated to those of you who have ever contemplated starting a YouTube channel or pursuing a business idea, but found yourselves hesitating due to various reasons. To my subscribers, this video diverges from the usual book summaries I typically share on this channel. As I approach 30K subscribers, I wanted to take a moment to express my gratitude for your unwavering support. Whether you're a longtime follower or stumbling upon this video for the first time, my aim is to inspire you to take that leap and embark on the journey of starting your own channel or business venture. My journey on YouTube began in May 2023, roughly 10 months ago. I vividly recall the excitement of logging in constantly to check the view count on my inaugural video, only to see a solitary view, my own, after hours of anticipation. Since then, YouTube has transformed my outlook on perseverance, offering me something to look forward to each month. Initially, my motivation for starting a YouTube channel stemmed from a desire to supplement my income alongside my day job. Despite the prevailing advice to pursue YouTube out of passion rather than monetary gain, my primary impetus was financial stability. I recognized the need to provide value in exchange for compensation, viewing YouTube as a platform through which I could offer insights into self-improvement, productivity, career development, and success by summarizing books. I firmly believe that anyone watching this video can achieve their aspirations, cliché as it may sound. When I embarked on my YouTube journey, I hesitated to show my face, feeling unprepared. Inspired by a predominantly faceless channel, I explored numerous video ideas and discovered the option of utilizing voice-over narration. For those unaware, the voice you hear in my videos isn't mine or my editor's. Rather, I enlist the services of voice-over artists. Over time, I've engaged 3 different voice actors, evolving alongside my channel's growth. Before delving into YouTube, I regularly tuned in to my favorite creators, from Ali Abdaal and Iman Gadji to Marques Brownlee, finding enjoyment in their content. To date, I've uploaded approximately 45 videos, some of which have significantly impacted viewers' lives. Among them, my most watched video, 48 Laws of Power and Mastery by Robert Greene, has amassed over 500,000 views. While the subject matter may be controversial, my intent in summarizing such works is to glean insights into human psychology, not to manipulate others, but to comprehend human behavior better. For instance, Robert Greene's Mastery discusses the journey to discovering one's calling and achieving mastery, outlining 3 distinct stages: laying the foundation, cultivating creative independence, and attaining mastery itself. Although I won't delve into the details here, I'll provide a link below for those interested in further exploration. Creating these videos wouldn't be possible without the dedication of my scriptwriters and editors. Lacking experience in whiteboard animations, I initially relied on freelancers from platforms like Fiverr, investing my earnings into enhancing the quality of my content. Throughout my YouTube journey, I've acquired invaluable skills in project management and budgeting, albeit with its challenges. While I occasionally struggle with consistency, my ultimate goal of reaching 100K subscribers and breaking free from limitations keeps me motivated. While my early viral videos garnered a significant portion of my subscribers, recent uploads have seen a decline in views. However, I've come to appreciate the importance of quality subscribers, those who support my channel regardless of the content I produce, and am immensely grateful for their loyalty. If your dream entails starting a YouTube channel or launching a business, rest assured that you have everything to gain and nothing to lose. If fear impedes your progress, know that you're not alone. I recently watched Ali Abdaal's video on how to grow a YouTube channel, where he addresses common fears, including how to create videos, identify content ideas, streamline the production process, and overcome the fear of failure. Initially, my apprehension centered around fear of judgment, prompting me to begin with a faceless channel. While positive feedback encouraged me, negative comments served as a reminder not to dwell on criticism, but to focus on the positives, a lesson instilled by my mother. As Ali Abdaal aptly puts it, the way to make anything sustainable is to make sure you're having fun along the way. Indeed, finding enjoyment or value in your work is crucial for navigating challenges. I continue to learn from my videos, occasionally revisiting past content to reinforce knowledge or gain fresh insights. If you've made it this far, I extend my heartfelt gratitude. Remember, every endeavor you undertake contributes to your growth. Seize opportunities, pursue your passions, and don't underestimate the power of starting small. As the Pareto principle suggests, 20% of your efforts yield 80% of your results. So take that first step today, for you never know where it may lead. Check out the next video on the screen for insights into the Pareto principle to be more productive. If you found this video impactful, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you.